Hello everyone, and welcome to another boat restoration video. We're going to share tips for boat silicone caulking. On today's video, we're going to continue with the boat restoration of our cabin. We're going to be using boat silicone as we restore our interior and preserve the boat's countertops. Join us as my wife, the master caulker, shares her caulking tips. And then we go to the beach to soak up some sun while it dries. Welcome to our channel, No Tops at All. My wife and I have had a lifelong dream of cruising through the Caribbean. We fell in love with this Regal 4260. Unfortunately, over the last 20 years, it had fallen into a state of disrepair. Join us as we restore this amazing boat to its original glory and fulfill our lifelong dream of cruising through the Caribbean. For starters, a few of the tools and materials that you are going to need are Boat Life silicone rubber. It's a marine grade boat silicone, a straight razor blade, a pick, and Windex. These are the links to everything we've used below. Let's get started. When using caulk or boat silicone, it's important to get the surface as clean and dry as possible. A helpful tip is to have a fan or hair dryer to circulate air in the area behind where you intend to caulk. There is very little air circulation, so any water that is behind the old caulk seam will remain unless you dry it out. As luck would have it, we forgot to film that portion. Next, we are going to lay down a bead of caulk. Now, if you're used to using normal house silicone or house caulk, this isn't it. Last year, we renovated our house, and my wife earned the title of Master Caulker, as she caulked every corner of our house while I was at work. This boat silicone is much tackier and less forgiving. So 2 tips to consider. One is using a small bead, or said another way, cut a small hole in the applicator tip, as once it's applied, it sticks to everything. A second tip is to use spray Windex on the silicone once it's been applied and you are ready to remove the excess caulk. This will prevent it from sticking to the surfaces that you don't want it to stick to. We forgot to do that here, and you can see how much excess work we had to do to remove the excess boat silicone. Finally, another job well done by the master caulker. Now off to the beach to let it dry and for us to soak up some sun.